my name is Anha. I work in the education sector in a company called Convergenius in the product delivery department. My bread and butter is basically to interact with stakeholders and tell them why our products are beneficial for students, teachers, and government alike. I started working in the education sector and started interacting with the government officials. I thought the conversations revolved around the policies, right? So I wanted to take a step back and understand how do you actually make policies? What are the nuances? So I wanted to understand the nuances at the hearing. What is the understanding? What groundwork do you really need to do to come up with a policy? So that kind of ignited the interest in me. And my law PT program, I actually searched because no one in my friends or family has actually done a professional and a formal public policy course. So I googled and I think ISPP came first. So that was where it started. Then I also connected with a few alumni of ISPP. They gave me a great review. I was convinced. So I thought this would be the great 3 to 4 months that I can invest and start my journey. Now I think I feel the little nitty-gritties that you need to understand the different perspective, that stakeholder management, right? Because we interact with 2 or 3 people. And those people are always confined and we have common perspectives. But this course actually widened the horizon. It told us that education sector can have an impact in the health sector and vice versa. So that's how it has gone little broader in the perspective and in the definition. Second, in the work-wise, I'm actually now looking forward to work in the policy space formally. I have huge respect for all the professors, but I have to mention one name, and that would be Rajiv sir. His dedication, his consistency, his patience has been utmost to the topmost level, top-notch level, and I think he has been very helpful, very kind, and he introduced so many good concepts, right? I am an economics student. I did my graduation in economics, but again, this course was very refreshing for me as well. So I think Professor Rajiv sir is definitely there. And then we have some other highlighting sessions, for example, behavior change, research writing. So those 2 new, things actually kind of put the cherry on the cake. The essence of this course was not only the sessions and the professors, absolutely that was there, but the kind of interactions and rich, diverse experiences that people come in with, that has always been very enriching and very thoughtful for all of us. I did not join this course because I wanted to enter the system. I just joined it because of the shared interest. Now this has happened that I am actually looking for opportunities in this sector, but one thing that I would like to say to everybody is this is a basic course that everybody should do. Because we live in a country like India where thousands of policies work simultaneously, and India is a diverse country with diverse population. So how one thing leads to another, how does that butterfly and domino effect actually prevails in the whole country? So this is the start. This is where to begin with, and then of course the sky is the horizon.